Hello, my name is Jeff, and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website at selectmotors.com to view our current inventory. This is a 2009 Mercedes ML350 4Matic. 350 is a 3.5 liter V6 engine, and 4Matic is all-wheel drive. The color is Iridium Silver Metallic with black interior. 2009 model was had cosmetic upgrades, different lights, grille, hood, bumpers, wheels, mirrors, and some upgrades on the inside as well. So great looking SUV, excellent body condition, very good tires, wheels are in great shape. No dings, it's not scratched up. It has the power tailgate. The front seat's all the way back. It has quite a bit of room in the back for the rear passengers. The seats will fold down flat. It's a power moonroof. Here's the power seats. They're heated. Real nice wood grain trim. That's real wood. Rain sensing windshield wipers. Drives excellent. Here we are on the inside. I'll start it up for you. There you go. There's the command screen navigation. And it has a premium sound system. There's a rear view camera. Even has paddle shifters on the steering wheel if you wanted to shift it manually. Very nice Mercedes SUV. Great value for the dollars. Very safe and stylish and versatile. Thank you for your time. Give us a call, and we would love to tell you more about this vehicle.